Okay, everyone, this is the application that we are going to be checking out. So this is the Airbus A350 experience. Let's go to the flight deck, and I'm going to go through the process of the pre-flight checklist. Okay, so I'm gonna sit down here. I can see my hands and everything is good. I'm opening the checklist.
Engine master lever 1 off, checked. Engine master lever 2 off, checked. Engine start selector is normal, checked. Landing gear down, checked. Windshield wiper 1 off, checked. Windshield wiper 2 off, checked. External power 2 connected on, checked. External power 1 connected on, checked.
All right.
Battery 1, voltage 28.1 checked. Battery 2, voltage 27.7 checked. Emergency battery 2, voltage 27.2 checked. Emergency battery 1, voltage 26.4 checked.
Okay.
Floodlight, checked. Integrated lights, checked. Dome light, checked. DU master brightness light, checked. Standby compass light on. Annunciator light, check. PIA system, checked. IR1, nav on, checked. IR2, nav on, checked. IR3, nav on, checked. EFB laptop, start. Aircraft status, check. Company flight plan required. Perform. Init page, flight number, and from to. Insert. Flight operation STS page. Check. Synchro avionics. Click. Required applications. Launch. ENV database and terminal charts. Check validity. OEB. Check. EACAM recall messages. Check. Dispatch messages. Check. Logbook cabin. Check. Aircraft acceptance. Perform. Fire test and APU start. Perform. Auxiliary power unit master switch on. External power 1 connected on. Checked. Oxygen crew supply on. Oxygen mask test. Check. Oxygen mask test. Check. Engine controls. Status of all passenger and cargo doors as well as emergency exits. Landing gear status, brakes, tire pressure. fuel quantity, balance, and flow. Electrical, alternate current. Electrical, direct current. Hydraulics. Flight controls, auxiliary power unit. Bleed air. Conditioning, pressurization. Flaps retracted. Parking brake on. Speed brakes retracted. Accumulators check. Emergency equipment check. Landing gear down checked. Cockpit door checked.
Hi, I'm DART, Deep Analysis Reality Training. I'm your aviation intelligence assistant, built to help you learn faster, think sharper, and train with confidence. Ask me anything, from systems and procedures to flight planning, performance, and real-world aviation scenarios.
Yeah, can you guide me through the process for checking of fire engine fault on an Airbus A350?
To check off a fire engine fault on an Airbus A350, follow these steps. 1. Monitor ECAM alerts. Look for any relevant alerts on the ECAM indicating an engine fire detection fault. The messages will typically be related to the engine fire detection loops failing. 2. Determine triggering conditions. Understand the conditions that trigger the fire detection fault indications. If the engine fire detection loops are failed, the aircraft will provide audio and visual alerts. 3. And assess status. If the failure is due to an IMA module fault, the ECAM will display this specific condition and make sure to reference this information during troubleshooting. Review procedures for engine isolation. In case of a confirmed engine fire, you can isolate the engine by pressing the ENG fire push button. This action will stop the oral fire warning and arm the extinguishing system. 5. Discharge fire extinguisher. So if needed and after isolation, you can discharge the fire extinguishing bottles by using the assigned agent push button, provided that at least one squib is operational and there is sufficient pressure. 6. And follow associated procedures. For further guidance on handling specific alerts or proceeding with engine shutdown, refer to the related procedures outlined in the Flight Crew Operating Manual. Documentation. Ensure that all actions taken regarding fire detection and any fault messages are properly documented as per the Aircraft Maintenance Manual guidelines. Always adhere to the standard operating procedures and consult with the Flight Crew Manual for more detailed instructions relevant to your specific situation.
Cargo doors as well as emergency exits.